Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines. On February 7th, 2026, at approximately 9:25 a.m., the Doral Police Department responded to a call from a woman who reported that her ex-boyfriend was following her in a white Lamborghini and ramming the rear of her vehicle. She also told police that he was possibly armed. When officers arrived, they encountered NFL player James Pearce Jr. standing outside the Lamborghini. According to the police report, officers ordered Pearce to get on the ground, but he instead got back into the vehicle and locked the door. Police say that as Pearce drove away, he struck an officer in the knee with the vehicle and then fled from police. Officers pursued the Lamborghini through Doral until Pearce crashed the vehicle. Police say he then got out and ran from the scene. After a short struggle with officers, Pearce was taken into custody. Let's take a look at what happened.
Window down, bro. So she took her car? I came to pick up my car because I told her she couldn't drive it no more. Good, but why you guys ramming into each other? What? I didn't ram into her. I told her come out of the car.
That's I was running 315 to Doral Station. For reference to the battery.
Come the car.
I need to continue on a 3.
Go 234. He's using him with his car. He's fleeing northbound.
Touching it now. It's verifying it's a white Lamborghini. Do you have a tag?
Go 234. Negative.
Bravo, Victor. He's stopping at 97 and 6. 97 and 6. What? Your radio cut out. Well, that's way. He's going southbound 97. Cruising the stop. 97 and West Street. Around 4466. Houston, 97 and 66, vehicle stop. I'm going to make it 315s, 97 and 66. Let's look at additional, more hard way. We're around 1497 and 5 now, go southbound. Houston, 9758 southbound. Got a white Lamborghini in November, Bravo, Victor. Just turned west on 58. Westbound on 58 from 97 out. Westbound on 58 from 97 out. Air 21 in row. Air 21 showing in row. So two things, it's gonna be a black male, short hair, blue shirt. Yeah, so black man, short hair, blue shirt, white Lamborghini. We're approaching 102 and 58 now. It's going to be a Lamborghini Urus SUV. We're in the LR Council gas station right now. Okay, so if you can change the gas station. 102 and 58. Okay, so the vehicle stops. Negative, you just took off again. So, took off. What direction travel from 102 and 58? 10258 northbound. Northbound on 10258. Bro, 200 kiss guys. Did the subject hit the officer with the vehicle? Can you ascertain that? Okay, so can I get advice they hit the officer or the victim?
Bro, 234, correct. He hit me.
Okay, so 200 aliens continue on at 3. Updated GTH.
102 and about 66.
Okay, so southbound or advice?
Corrections. 62nd Street, northbound.
Yes, 10266 northbound. Correction, 62 northbound.
Delta 2000, our district assist.
Yes, on you Midwest units continue respond 10262 northbound.
Delta 2105, one route.
Yes, Delta 2105 in route. they don't need advice that they're around. From the primary car, halt. So, touch lines continue on. I'm now receiving a call from the person being chased, advising they're afraid to pull over. I'm trying to have the desk have them pull over now. Updated GTH.
Route 12 64th Street, westbound.
So 64 westbound from what?
1103, please, and 63.
Just 103, place 63 westbound.
After this, contact them and tell them to stop.
I'm attempting.
Who's the three? You gonna be?
Sorry, 223.
103, please, northbound from 64th Street.
Kids on 103 northbound 64th Street. Again, a white Lamborghini Urus, November Bravo Victor.
Route 12 East now on 66th Street from 103, please.
Eastbound 63 for 103, please.
Following the arrest, Pearce was taken to Jackson West Medical Center for evaluation and was later transported to the Turner Guilford Knight Correctional Center. The police report states that an officer was also evaluated for injuries allegedly sustained after being struck by Pearce's vehicle. The Doral Police incident report lists aggravated assault on an officer or firefighter and fleeing and eluding in connection with the pursuit. A separate Doral Police report also lists aggravated battery in connection with the original incident. Pearce was also issued several traffic citations, including fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, disobeying police or fire officials, reckless driving involving damage to a person or property, failing to stop at stop signs, operating on the wrong side of the road, and other traffic violations. Police determined Pearce was at fault for the crash. As always, these are allegations contained in the police reports, and all individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Want to help support Real Patrol footage? Consider becoming a channel member today. Members receive awesome perks like custom badges, exclusive emojis, priority comment replies, and early access to new videos. Plus, our Captain members also receive a special thank you in the end credits while their membership is active. Just click the join button next to subscribe to explore all the membership levels and perks. Thank you for supporting Real Patrol footage. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by hitting like, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.